Raw Business 12th annual homecoming tournament. $7,000.
$7,000. Let's give it up for first place.
First place, $7,000. $7,000.
Oh, yes, sir.
Can I get a loan?
$7,000.
All right.
More of these and more. Fish. Net.
Spots like that when you run in the pockets like that, we go ahead and throw like a jig or something like that.
Yeah.
Got it?
He hit it as soon as it hit the water. I didn't have to pull it.
Alright, got a jig fish on the rocks.
Got a fish?
Yeah.
Net? You sure? Pretty good spot.
Top lip.
Yeah, that's a good spot. Damn. Can't stand it no more. Can't stand it no more.
There you go. Oh man, don't tell me I made Russ have to pick up the Carolina rig.
No more.
I told him there was some fish over here on this ledge. We're gonna pull one more fish off this ledge. Then we're gonna hit another spot.
Am I wrong by putting the Carolina rig on, right? Should I just stuck with what my other plan?
Nah, I mean, because our other plan is
Oh, I missed one, damn it. Take one down.
yeah, we out here catching babies too. Alright, dang that thing. Sweet.
You do whiplash your finger.
Yeah. Right through it.
Don't tell me it's gonna be a shaky head Carolina day after top water.
Yeah. So I think we just need to find some more spots like this. Alright people, that was a good fish. I rushed it to the boat. Today is just a pre-fishing practice day anyway, so it didn't really matter if I got it to the boat or not. But tomorrow is a different story. Right. Got another keeper fish. Not a good tournament fish, but it'll help us on getting the limit.
Yeah.
Another little Lake West Point spotted bass on the shaky head.
Bind together in one brotherhood as we are here today. Guide us and keep us safe is our prayer. Amen.
Amen. Gentlemen, we thank you for fishing with the rod benders. All you guys coming out and fishing. We got some special stuff for you and when you get in tonight. So make sure you have on your lanyards at all times. And we'll have some real nice prizes at the end of the day. Go get them.
Yes. He's not a kid. Yeah, you can keep him. He's small. Tiny guy.
Rough.
You gonna say that was caught.
That
First fish on the buzz bait. This ain't gonna cut it.
I caught that 7 right in there. Something. All right, first keeper of the day, top water. This is Ryan Johnson with the Rod Benders Bass Club, finishing up our day here on the Rod Benders Homecoming 30th anniversary tournament out here at Lake West Point. Had a rough day out there on the lake. We caught some fish, weren't able to get 5 keepers to the boat, but even with that, the fish we caught are not ones that would basically bring in the money. So let me go ahead and show you what we got. Then we'll go ahead and take a look and show you how everything is set up here at the homecoming, the events and the weigh-in and all that good stuff. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at these fish and head to the weigh-in. All right, here we go. All right, fish number 2. All right, there's fish number 3, long and lean. All right, there's fish number 4. All right, so that's that. See you in a minute. All right, now we're out here at the weigh-in. Let me go ahead and give you a quick tour. We got things out here, fun and festivities for the kids. And we got food for the anglers and for everybody that came to take a look at how we do it out here at the Rod Benders Homecoming Tournament.
Everybody get something to eat. Everybody get a little taste bite.
Did everybody get something to eat?
You try them homemade pork skins back there? But I wanted to make sure you got your homework done before you get to school on Monday, okay? Bet? That's everybody gonna do that? Everybody said no. Get out of here, kids. Go. Exit stage left.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Let's hear it for the kids, guys. You're very welcome, sir. Our young anglers are very important to us. He's a senior this year, and we are so proud of the fact that he's going to be the first junior rod bender to go get a full ride and fish at the collegiate level.
Let's give it up for that.
His name is Trey Brown, and Trey's got offers from
University of Arkansas, Pine Bluff, Valdosta State, and I think Alabama, Middle Georgia College.
Mr. Vincent Zamora is in 10th grade, went to 10th grade this year, and he is a fishing fool. And he too is already starting to line up what he wants to do after he graduates high school, and he wants to go and fish at collegiate level too.
Thank you for being here, attending the Rod Benders tournament. Hope to see y'all next year.
Good man. This is Zamora. All right, guys, it's time to get some money.
And now,
First place.
First place. And now,
First place. With 5 fish, 5 alive.
5 fish, 5 alive.
14 pounds, 39 ounces. Mr. Bobby T.
Let's give it up for the Teats over there. That's father and son collabo right
T
there.
boys in the house on took $7,000 for our home. I can't stand either one of you.
Right. I just changed my last name to T.
Congratulations, T.
I'm a long
Let's
distance
celebrate our 30th year of existing, our 12th annual tournament, and do it for you. So, James, if you would, sir, I'm going to turn it over to you, and you can do the honors.
On this day, the 22nd day of April, 2017, we, the members of United East Atlanta Bass Club, present this Pioneer Award to Mr. Eddie Champion for a lifetime of service to the sport of fishing, for your tireless years, tournament trails, helping others, volunteering your service to your community, kids, and schools, sometimes even using your own money to support others, using your time, making phone calls.
Great job. I appreciate it. I worry about y'all. If you don't mind, I don't worry for it. I didn't worry for you.
All right. Definitely, everybody be careful. Get it all the time. I know that. So, yeah, I know that we're